Machine Gun Kelly, you ugly. Machine Gun Kelly, stupid tall. Megan Fox doesn't like you. She likes me. She wants to sleep with me. She said, she come up to me last night. She come up to me and she go, "Oh, daddy, you so good, daddy. Daddy, you so good in bed. You gotta teach some to Machine Gun Kelly, 'cause he's a wimp. And daddy, you're a pimp. Oh, daddy." And then I came in her. You know what she did? She slugged my comb up, and she was playing with it, with a comb in her mouth. She said, "Oh, daddy, daddy, you good, daddy, daddy. I'll keep coming back to you, daddy. I'm gonna keep on coming back. You left a good impression on me, daddy. Now I gotta go back with that boring ass motherfucker MGK. And he don't do shit. He don't know nothing. He ugly." I said, okay, boo-boo. You ain't gotta worry about him. Whenever you feel bored, you feel down, whenever you feel like you need more flavor in your life, more spice in your life, you wanna put some spice in your life, you come to me. My doors are always open. And Megan Fox wrapped her arms around my neck, kissed me and said, "Thank you, daddy." I said, "Okay. I love you." She said, "I love you too. See you soon." Then I slapped on her butt and I said, "See you soon, baby."